Navigating the Netherlands visa application form online doesn't have to be a daunting task. This comprehensive guide will walk you through each section of the online application, ensuring accuracy for a smooth and successful submission. First, navigate to the official Netherlands visa application portal. You'll need to create an account or log in if you already have one once logged in. Select the option to start a new visa application. Begin with your personal details. Carefully enter your full name exactly as it appears on your passport, your date and place of birth, and your nationality. Double-check for any typos. Next, you'll need to provide your passport information. This includes your passport number, the issuing authority, the date of issue, and its expiry date. Ensure your passport is valid for at least 3 months beyond your intended stay. Now, detail your travel purpose and itinerary. Clearly state the reason for your visit, for example, tourism, business, or visiting family. Enter your intended dates of arrival and departure, and the countries within the Schengen area you plan to visit. Accurate financial information is crucial. You'll be asked to provide details about your financial means, such as recent bank statements, proof of income, and any sponsorships. This demonstrates you can support yourself during your stay. Next, provide information about your accommodation. This could be hotel booking confirmations or an invitation letter if you're staying with friends or family in the Netherlands. The form may also inquire about previous visa applications or travel history. Be honest and accurate in your responses. You'll also need to upload scanned copies of your supporting documents, such as your passport, passport-size photographs, travel insurance, and any other documents specified for your visa type. Before submitting, carefully review all the information you've entered. A summary page will typically appear, allowing you to check for any errors. Once you're certain everything is accurate, proceed to the submission. Congratulations! You've successfully completed your Netherlands visa application form online. Remember, an accurate application is key to visa approval.